DSID content can also be shared to your website or social media pages. To do so, simply click the Share button on a specific video. This will give you the option to share directly to your Facebook page. You'll be prompted to log in to Facebook if you are not already. Once logged in, select the page you wish to share the video to. If you manage multiple pages, select that page from the drop-down list. You can include your own text to accompany the video or simply leave it blank. The title of the video speaks for itself most of the time. Once you are ready to share, click Post to Facebook. If you wish to share the video to another platform or your website, you can copy the link and then manually paste it to wherever you wish to share it. Please note this is a Vimeo link, not an actual download of the video file. This means sharing to Instagram is not possible at this time. Be aware, if you have a pop-up blocker operating in your browser, this feature may not work. First, disable your pop-up blocker or provide the necessary permissions to proceed. If your presentation displays content in a portrait orientation and you decide to share a video, the orientation of the video that appears when shared will be landscape, not portrait. This is to keep the video optimized for the platform on which it is viewed.